Yes, good evening everyone. Just an audio and visual check. Is my voice is audible and my screen is visible to everyone. Just type yes in the chat box if my voice and screen is clear enough. Everyone, quickly, is my voice is audible and my screen is visible to everyone. Just type yes in the chat box if my voice and screen is clear enough. Okay. So yes, clear, great, fantastic. This is again yet another free webinar. I don't know. I am continuously doing a free webinar, but how come the free webinar is helping you or guiding you? I have still no idea. And one more thing, whether I want to just make sure to understand whether the free doing a free webinar has any value, because most traders are super smart, not joining free webinars and just want only trading call, free call, trading call. I'm telling you again, to those traders who just want only free call and never want to spend time, effort, money on learning, you can't make money in the market, practically speaking. And one, as I say in my all the sessions, say no to paid call providers. I can even tell you 10 times, 20 times, but practical, this is practical. Say no to paid call providers. So today's what is special topic today? Process to trade intraday bank nifty. I don't know how many traders are intraday traders who have joined this session. Just type yes in the chat box if you are an intraday trader, especially trading on bank nifty. It can be future or bank nifty option. Just type yes if you are an intraday trader. So first of all, on intraday trading, very important are few things. That is, number one is the your risk appetite, how much risk you have a capacity, and very important, capital is very priority. Okay, and one more thing, those who are still not subscribed the YouTube channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button, and very important, turn on the bell icon when you are subscribing it. And everyone, make sure to join the Telegram channel without fail. Okay, intraday trading, you need to understand few things before doing intraday trading, especially bank nifty. If you are a bank nifty option trader, very important, few parameters are must, which every intraday trader should understand. And I believe you will understand. This is a free session, so I will try to share as much as knowledge as possible for a in this free session. Okay, so don't expect everything to be free. That's next to impossible. No one can provide it. Okay, so even in today's live session, we have managed to take one trade which was based on the free trading setup. Ultimately, the trade target got triggered. So moving back to this intraday concept, intraday trading, few things which you need to see is the time frame. Very important is the time frame you are using for intraday trading. What time frame which I personally use? I personally use 5 minute and 30 minute for intraday for my bank nifty intraday trading. Few traders what they use is 15 minute and 30 minute. Okay, Few use 5 minute and 15 minute. It's up to your choice. If you ask me, I personally use this depending on your trading style, depending on your risk appetite. You can use different time frame, but most traders avoid looking at daily time frame. Very important. Intraday trading, it doesn't mean you need to look at only the smaller time frames. You need to understand bank nifty on a broader daily time frame also. Very very important. To how to understand broader intraday, simple. Few broker will not show you this one continuous contract, because there is a small data issue will be there on your broker terminal if you are looking at a continuous contract. Let me show you a simplest way to check continuous contract is the trading view platform, where you will get a continuous contract on a daily time frame. Simply you need to search bank nifty and bank nifty index, bank nifty 1. Okay, time frame for a daily chart. I'm speaking only on a daily perspective, not any other perspective. Because traders look 5 minute, 15 minute, 10 minute, 30 minute for intraday trading, but most traders avoid looking at a very important daily time frame. Priority, which is must. You need to look at daily time frame, which is very very important. Just a minute. I don't know why this chart is taking so long. Yes, Bank Nifty. Now, when it comes to daily time frame, one thing which we can understand here, what is happening on daily time frame? If you are intraday trader, it doesn't mean you should not look daily time frame. Very important, you need to look at daily time frame. What is happening here? Look at this structure which is getting developed here. Fully overlap. Totally the structure, current market structure is overlap. This was one overlapping structure, but later on it has given a down move of almost 5,000 points downside. Okay, from somewhere around 36,000 to 31,000, 5,000 points of down move. So after this overlapping, price gave a down move. But compare this overlap with this. This is very much more cluster. With now you need to check as an intraday trader of Bank Nifty. If you are an option trader, VIX. What is the VIX? Okay, when this sideways option was getting developed, VIX was somewhere around 20-25 range. Okay, 18 to 25 range. Now what is the VIX? It is trading around 12 to 15 range. Okay, so now why we need to look at VIX? We are intraday trader, option trader, intraday option trading, not for future. Intraday option trading. Why we need to look at India VIX? India VIX currently is trading around 12 to 15 range. Let me practically speak. Let me open India VIX and show you. Okay, you need to understand this is a priority. I'm telling you, this is priority. Looking at India VIX and understanding. Look at India VIX is now just 12. I don't know whether we get a chart here. Let's see quickly. So let the chart get loaded. India VIX is currently trading around 12 or 13 hardly. Nothing special more than that. India VIX is trading on the current market, especially. What is the importance of VIX? How can we use it? First of all, let the chart load. VIX option trader, when the VIX are low, like now current VIX is trading at 12 to 15. This is the common VIX. A general broader range of India VIX is somewhere around 12 to 25. Okay, this is the broader India VIX. Last year, but okay. Sandesh sir is asking why we are seeing future chart. It's about option. Sir, try to understand. Option chart means you should not be required to check option every time. You need to monitor future chart. Then the strike price which you are choosing, then only you have to go to option chart. Every time we don't look at option chart. Okay. So those traders who are still not subscribed to the YouTube channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification. And make sure everyone join the Telegram channel. The link is available in the live chat pinned message. So broader VIX is 12 to 25. Now VIX is trading at only 12 to 15. Nothing more than that. So what VIX is giving an indication? Very important. Look at VIX now, it's just 12. Nothing left over here. Only 12 today. VIX dropped by almost 6%. Whenever try to understand, higher the VIX, higher and lower. There are two VIX category. Okay. Higher the VIX, more the option price. Option price will be good. Lower the VIX, the option price will also be lower. So important here is, let's assume markets are opening. Okay, markets are opening and you are having an India VIX of somewhere around 13. Okay, let's assume India VIX today market open. Let's take today's example even. What is the high and low of today's VIX? Look at this day's range. Morning, once the market opened, the VIX was 13. It has dropped to 12. This is just, if you look at this, just 1 point drop, but on the percentage basis, it is 6%. 6% drop in VIX. Important here is what information? That is, so morning when the VIX was around 13, it has later on came to 12. So let's assume you have taken any option price. You are looking at an option price. Any, it can be in the money, at the money, or out of the money. It can be any option. Okay, important. Let's take, most traders like to trade out of money and at the money. Very few traders like to trade in the money. Let's take out of money and at the money. Let's assume any call option is trading around 140. Okay, and any at the money option is trading around 350. It can be call or put, anything. When morning VIX was 13. Okay, let's assume this is a call option. Call option, any out of money call and any at the money call. Let's assume when you are looking at, the market was trading at 34,850. Okay, after 1 hour, price from 34,850, let's assume it is going to 34,950. Intraday trading, you have to understand this. It's not only looking at chart. If you're an option trader, not only looking at chart, searching for some trading strategy for exclusively for free. That is not only intraday trading. You need to understand what is the VIX here. Morning it was 13. In the money, at the money option, call option, which was trading at 140 and 350. So 100 points up move in 1 hour. So out of money delta will be somewhere around 0.2 and at the money delta will be around 0.5. Okay. So 100 points move. This ATM should have from 350, it should have gone to 400, because 100 point up move. This 140 should have gone to 160 minimum. On a broader basis I'm speaking, this should have gone once this 100 points move come in. But VIX, when you entered, it was 13. Let's assume from 13 VIX goes to 12.5. This is 2%, 2.5% drop in VIX. It goes to 12.5. This option will not go to 400 and this option will not go to 160 despite Bank Nifty is moving up. What will happen is, this 400 price will not go to 400. It will trading around 385. This option, which has to go to 160 because of drop in VIX, it will go to hardly 148 or 150. That's it. Where is this 10-12 points gone and where is this 15 points gone? Drop in VIX, theta decay, premium will get eroded. When it will happen more is when, as the VIX is lower and lower. This is what happening. Look at from the last month, June till today. June 1 was the date where the leverage was reduced, right? So from that point, overlapping up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down option is only getting developed. Now tell me, in this last 1 month, as an option buyer, how many traders have lost money in this market? Option by doing random trade. Let's assume you would have expected 200 points Bank Nifty target. You have bought a call option. Price would have went up. It will be roaming like this for the entire trading session. How many traders have lost money as an option buyer by doing random trades? Accept it, honestly speaking, accept it. I will tell you exact reason how to escape from it, how to survive in this sideways market, especially as an option buyer. Okay, for an option seller, this 1 month is a dream, sir. If despite premiums will be low, very important, if the wicks are low, wicks is dropping means premiums will also be low, sir. So for option seller, they will not get much premium for their benefit, but important here is they would have made easy money in the market. This is what I'm asking. As an option buyer, how many trader got frustrated? Let's take today's auction. Let's take today's auction. I will show you. Very important. Very, very important, sir. Practically speaking, very important. I'm just zooming out the chart. Look at this. What happened? Morning opening somewhere here. Price is moving down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Auction. Roaming here. Price is opening here. This is just roaming. This is 5 minutes. I'm zoomed out the chart. Only a small down. Look at this, up, down, up, down. Price is roaming. Fully sideways. Look at this auction. Fully overlapping. No clear direction. Here, fully entire auction is overlapping. So, how many traders get frustrated as an option buyer? This market is testing the patience. Special main aim of doing this free session is why? Because I will tell you, this is frustrations and many trader will get frustrated. Okay. Despite of this frustration, what I tell every time to every trader is wait. Simply, I will tell you why. If you have waited on this week, how many days? 5 trading session, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 trading session. In this 5 trading session, I have shared a free trade setup. In this 5 days, 3 days this trade setup came. Almost all the 3 days target got triggered, including today. But to trade those trade setup, you have to wait. What I am telling you is you have to wait. Now I am showing you some low volume concept. I will show you some low volume concept here. Look at, let's take this trading session. This is a trading session. What is happening? Look at the from morning. This is a morning first volume. Look at volume drop. On every candle, every next volume bar. Look at volumes which is dropping, and it is a low volume auction. Look at this drop. It is drawing the slope here. Sudden spike here. Again look at this. Low volume drop. Now always remember this kind of drop in volume with, look at this is VWAP, which I have red color line. Price is going below VWAP, above VWAP, going below, above, below, above, below, above. This is just rotating. Small up, again below, above. Trading session is done. This is the start, end of the day. What happened? Look at the volumes, low. Volume is getting lower and lower and lower and lower, with price roaming up, down around VWAP. Despite of this, you need to understand, whenever this low volume getting developed, now more retail traders are participating. Who are these retail traders? Means the traders who got frustrated because of this up down move, especially if it's an option buyer, because most of the retail traders are probably option buyers only. Okay, why I'm telling option buyers? Because, or I can say in a simple term, a trader who is having less than 2 lakh capital, 70% of a retail traders who's having less than 2 lakh or around 2 lakh capital are an option buyer. Okay, because even for to sell one option, it will ask you 1.8 lakhs without doing any alteration or any additionally buying out of the money call or nothing, doing no adjustment, nothing. For a single lot 25 quantity, it will ask you 1.8 lakhs. If you are doing strangle, it will ask you 2.3 lakhs. Okay, capital is itself 2 lakh. Now what traders option retail buyers do is, let's assume a trader has 2 lakhs. Practically speaking, he should not risk more than 2% of his trading capital, that is 4,000. If this is or your stop loss getting triggered, if your capital is 2 lakh, you should not lose more than 4,000 or more than 6,000 on a single trading session. But what retail traders will do, they don't care about it. I have 2 lakh, so I will trade 10 lot, I will trade 20 lot. In this sideways low volume market, if you start trading option buying 10 lot, 20 lot means best of luck, get ready to lose money in the market. I am honestly speaking, like every move, I am not telling you will lose money for sure, but what I am trying to tell you is I am speaking reality, sir. No time wasting, no dream selling, sir. Okay. Look at this, price is moving down if you are shorting, price is moving up if you are buying. What happened? This short trade, you got your stop loss triggered here. Price is moving down, I will short. Price going sideways for almost 1.5 hours. Here option premiums will get eroded and spike up. What if price moving down, you are shorting, price is reversing back up, your stop loss is getting triggered. If you are expecting want to trade every move in the market means get ready. I'm practically speaking a 99 percentage of time as an intraday option buyer, get ready to lose money. I'm not telling every trade you will lose money. Just look next 50 trades or next 20 trades or 30 trades. If you are just looking at this candle is moving down, oh super fantastic, three red color candle, I will short. You will short below this, market will reverse back, your stop loss get triggered, market will again come down. Understood? And what is happening? Again, price is moving up. You will not take a buy trade here, buy trade here, sir. Most traders, what they do, look at this tree. Oh, big green color candle. Let's see. Again, price is oh super fantastic. Price is moving up. I will buy here and I will place stop loss here. What happens? Small up move. This is just, if you ask me, 45 points future up move. So option three category. If you are trading out of money means game over. If you are trading in the money option means the 45 points option, 20 points option would have went up. Out of money means say 7 points would have went up, and at the money option means 15 points, 12 to 15 points. And what happened? Price reversed back down. This was your stop loss placing location. By the end of the day, your stop loss has been hammered. Why? Because you are looking at this candle color and chasing price, sir. Why I am telling you traders might chase the prices? Because here look at overlap. Almost how many hours? From 9:15 to 11:30. 3 hours, 3.5 hours of overlapping up down move. And sudden up move, what you will do is, no traders will trust immediately this breakout is coming, I will take a trade. This is not working. You will wait for this and then you will chase price here buying. Price will shoot down and reverse back. Same thing. And those traders who follow candle pattern, I will tell you one thing. Candle pattern. Look at this pattern. Even in today's live session, when I was conducting a free live session, one trader asked me, sir, this triangle pattern is getting developed and price is breaking. This black color line is the pivot point. This line. Pivot point is breaking. Price is above VWAP. Why we are not taking a buy side trade? He is asking based on the pattern. I don't know his name. I am not pointing out and telling you. The trader who have asked, I am not pointing out. I am telling you practically look at what is happening in the market. These are the things which you need to look at on an intraday trading. But what traders do, they intraday trading, they search for a trading strategy, they search for call providers, they search for tips. Sorry, you want to get spoon feeded. I don't understand. Don't mistake me, but one thing I want to tell you, if you are blindly following a call provider without understanding a basic logic behind the trade, if you are following a call providers, these call providers are spoon feeding you, sir. Only children's kids are spoon feeded because they don't understand how to eat. Okay, they are only spoon feeded. Okay, take your time, think on it. Only kids, child, 3 years kid, 2 years kid will get spoon feeded because they don't know how to eat. Sir, but those traders who blindly follow call providers, they are spoon feeded, sir. Whatever your age can be, sir. I'm speaking reality. Okay, if you don't like this way of explaining, I don't bother. You can get out of the system. I don't even mind or care. This is a free session. My session. I want to speak reality. I'm speaking it. Spoon feeded, sir. Call providers means 99 percentage of time you can't make money in the market, sir. Mark my word. If you are anyone following call providers, next after mark this point which I told. After 1 year, come and tell me if you would have made money or lost money. If you are following a call provider. Look at this pattern development. One trader was speaking about this, sir. Price is getting a triangle pattern and breaking pivot points. This is super bullish candle developing. Why we are not planning a buy side trade? I told him, sir, I am not ready to plan a buy side trade. I don't follow pattern. And as per the trade setup, below this is a short. This is a free trade setup which I have shared. Below this is a short trade. I will take short trade only. I have taken short trade in front of the traders live. Price shooted down, triggered my target. I have done booking profits. And one thing, when price was moving up, I was not jumping. Oh, price is going up. I will go buy. I was not doing that. I was sitting relaxed because I know that this candle which is getting developed is most of the volume, which is, you could see the volume spike here. This is stop loss order which is getting triggered, not a fresh buying order which is getting developed. How I came to know? That is where you have to learn. Trading knowledge, years of trading experience with the proper knowledge will help you. I was simply relaxed, sir. I even told the level of 34,900, below 34,900 on future, I am shorting the bank nifty. I have already told what happened. Price went overlap, shooting up. Price went to almost 35,035 levels, sir. 135 points was trading above my entry point. The order not got triggered. I was waiting. When price came below it, short, moved down, game over. Book profit, come out of the market. This is the free trade setup. It was just 1 is to 1.5 risk reward based trade. Nothing much. Okay, and every day don't blindly follow pattern. Especially I'm telling you, following pattern is not a bad deal in intraday bank nifty. But what I want to tell you is, don't follow pattern every day. When to follow pattern? Look at this price. This is forming a pattern here. When the market are overlapping, which I showed few minutes back and 30 minutes for the past 1 week, when the markets are overlapping, you need to understand one thing. This is bullish breakout as per this pattern. It is a bullish breakout as per the pattern. Look at where price is going. This is the same yesterday's sellers who came in and pushed the price down in the second half of the market. So for sure they will come for a different. They will minimum come for a different one time. I am not telling every time. Minimum one time they will come. And here what is happening? This volume spike which is getting developed, it is just stop loss orders, sir. Stop loss orders are getting triggered. And one more thing, try to understand, everyone will draw the same pattern. Most retail traders will draw the same pattern, and most retail traders will take buy side trade here only. Same location, you are also entering a trade of buy side, means problem, sir. If the retail entry location and yours entry location is same, means game over, sir. You are in danger. I am spelling 8 out of 10 times. Get ready to get your stop losses triggered. And for the past 1 month, I am speaking not 1 week. Let's take full 1 month. From June 1, I don't know how many days. Yes, from this is 30 minutes. From June 1, look at this. This is one round of trending down move, one round of trending up move. That's it. Here, look at this is 30 minutes, not 5 minutes. Overlap, fully overlap. This is small up move. This is one down and one up move. Again, overlap, small up move, overlap, and overlap. This is 30 minutes. Okay, 30 minutes means single trading session, 13 candles will be there. So, this is from June 1 to what is today's date? July 2nd. How many trending days? Very few, sir. Most of the auction is overlapping. You need to understand, whenever, let's assume any pattern, in this pattern, let's assume this is a pattern development, price is breaking up. Don't blindly take a buy side trade, sir. Why I am telling is, multiple time price would have went to this zone, multiple time it would have reversed back down. Okay, so now all when this reversal is coming down, remember, sellers, all those sellers will place stop loss above this only, sir. Above this, in this bracket only, they will place stop loss. Okay, most of the time what will happen, price will go up, trigger stop loss, it will reverse back, and you will also get hammered. And most traders are looking at the same pattern to plan a buy side trade when breakout comes. Whenever market is more sideways, you need to understand, not every day jump and take a buy side trade blindly following pattern. You need to understand it very clearly. This is golden hour, you can write it down. Okay, very clear. Can you understand what I'm trying to tell? Yes, no, just I guess in the chat box. If you are trying to understand it, learning something new, these are the parameters. These are basic intra. Before it, if you are doing an intraday bank nifty trading, you need to understand this very basic parameters, sir. If you are searching only for a trading strategy, free trading strategy, free call providers, free tip providers, waste, sir. You can make money today, tomorrow. Trading is an independent business, sir. You are depending on some traders. What is use? No point. You have to learn. I'm telling you 1,000 times you have to learn, sir. Okay. You have to understand the reality in the trading, sir. Don't be in a dream. Intraday trading, I'm doing option buying. That means what should I do? I have 1 lakh. If a trader has 1 lakh capital, what retail trader? Sir, I have 1 lakh. This is what one trader asked me. Personally, this is one guy, I will not name him. He asked me, sir, I have 1 lakh capital. I want to make 1500 points every month in a bank nifty. Look at this. 1500 to 2000 point I want to make every month in bank nifty. I want to make profit. This is profit. He is having 1 lakh capital. Monthly he want 2000 points in bank nifty. Month on month. Okay. And now calculate 2000 point means 2000 into 25 is the lot size. What is the value means? He want every month he want 50,000 profit. How much percentage of 1 lakh 50,000? 50% he want every month profit. I told to him, sir, best of luck. Okay, simple word, best of luck. I am not ready to sell dream. This is dream, sir. Every month he want 2000 point in bank nifty. He will trade only one lot. The guy will trade only one lot with 1 lakh capital. He want 2000 point every month profit in bank nifty. He is asking, sir, I want 2000 point profit every month. That means we want 50,000 profit, 50% of his capital. This is what retail traders do, sir. What they think in the market is, if I come with 1 lakh, if I come with 2 lakh, in 2 months it will be 2x. 1 lakh will become 2 lakh, 2 lakh will become 4 lakh. I don't understand what to tell to this retail traders. This is what they are, and they want to trade only intraday. Sir, I want to trade intraday. I want to double my capital in 2 months, 3 months. But if I tell him something, sir, I want to double the capital free. I will not spend money. I will not learn, sir. First of all, they will tell, sir, I don't want to learn. Okay, but I want to earn monthly 50% profit. I want to double my capital in 2 months, 3 months. I want to do everything for free. I am asking you, if you are expecting everything for free, special, this is what retail traders are doing, sir. This is where call providers are trapping them. This is where call providers are brainwashing you, traders, and trapping you. They will tell, sir, I will make you 50% profit. They will promise you. This is fake promise, sir. You need to understand. This is the problem as an intraday bank nifty trader. I am asking you, a trader who is expecting this kind of return. Practically speaking, I will ask you one question. Straight away, only one question. You would have done your schooling. You would have gone for school. Some traders, you would have gone for college. Do you, anytime you have asked, sir, I will not pay my school fees. I will not pay my kids' school fees. Give me free. Anyone would have asked, sir, I want to join college, but I will not pay the fees. I want free. If you go and ask to this management, school and college management, sir, I want free means, they will throw you out of their campus. They will throw you out of their campus. Okay. Then why I am asking you? Then why do you want to everything free in trading, sir? This is where call providers trap you. This is where call providers trap a trader, sir. This is where Telegram call providers trap a trader for an intraday, using a word intraday. You need to understand this. If you want searching only for a trade strategy, trade setup means no, sir. You need to understand what is happening, sir. In this current low volume, look at low volume. Entire day volumes are low. There's some spike in volume. The stop loss is triggering again low volume. In this low volume, few traders will leave the session, sir, because I'm speaking reality now. Because they want dreams. They want a call from me, call providing service from me. I will never do any call providing service. Honestly speaking, practically speaking. Option buying, sir, this is low volume, sir. Low volume means what? Retail traders are more participating. Prices roaming up, down, around VWAP. Then why do you want to take trades, sir? Wait, relax. Don't chase the price. Wait, relax, sir. Let market provide opportunity. Then take your trade. Let market provide opportunity. Then take your trade, sir. In this low volume market, when retail traders are more participating, why do you want you personally? Why do you want to go and take at the same time when retail traders are actively participating? Avoid doing it, sir. You need to understand this. This is very basic. Okay. Coming back to the daily time frame, what is happening here on a daily time frame? For the past month, entire month, market is overlapping. Now, in this overlapping market, every day, if you are expecting big targets, that is further more dangerous. Sir, entire bank nifty current market range most of the day is 250 or 300 points only, sir. Entire day's range I am speaking. Here, big targets. Here, what traders want to make 300 points daily, 250 points daily. Sir, understand, entire range is itself 250 to 300 points on an average. And you want to make 250, 300 points every day in this current market. Game over, sir. Get ready to lose money. I'm speaking honestly speaking. Get ready to lose money. As I already told in the start of the session, I'm not here to sell dreams. I'm telling you practical reality. Once you are looking at this overlapping market in the daily time frame, go back to 5 minutes and see what is happening. If the price is roaming up, down, above, below, VWAP in a tight range with low volumes, retail traders stay away. How many traders have patience to wait for a trade, sir? Just type yes in the chat box. First of all, how many traders have patience to wait? When I say patience to wait means you have to wait 4 hours. Let's assume after 4 hours, 5 hours only trades is coming. Do you have patience to wait? Yes, no, be honest and answer. Be honest and answer, I'm telling you. Do you have patience to wait? Yes, no. Okay. The traders who have patience to wait for their trade setup to come in. Honestly speaking, if you followed the free trade setup which I have shared, you would have made easy money only 3 days trade. On a 5 trading session, only 3 days trade came because of waiting for a trade. Waiting for a trade. I'm not telling my the trade strategy which I've shared for free. Every time will it only target 100% accuracy. No. Every strategy will sometime it will also hit stop loss also. Okay. Every time it can't hit the target. Sometimes stop loss will also hit. You have to accept those stop loss also. Okay. It can be any trading strategy. Stop loss sometime it will get triggered. You need to understand this as an intraday trader. Okay, and one more thing. Let's assume you are taking intraday, right? You are taking a trade. It can be call option, put option, future option, anything. You are taking a trade, and that trade ends up in loss. After loss, what you will do? Let's assume you have made a loss for the trading day. Market close 3:30. After 3:30, what will be your reaction? Will you get frustrated? Intraday trading, sir. Will you get frustrated? Will you have fear? Will you be tensed? Tension? Panic? Fear of losing money? How many have this? After a losing day in the market, shouting at everyone, shouting, very important. Shouting at everyone. How many do this? Anyone? Frustration, fear, tension, panic, fear of losing money, shouting after trading loss on any particular trading session. As an intraday trader, what is there any kind of reaction you do after doing this? Yes, no. Sir, Vimal sir, I am not talking about anything edging. Only one-sided option buying trade. No edging, nothing. Be honest and answer this. Any one type of reaction you do, frustration, fear, tension, panic, fear of losing money, shouting. Have you asked any time what is the why you are doing it? Have you asked to you personally any time? I will tell you, you would have not asked. No. Why? How to get it? Because why this is getting developed means you don't have confidence. Number one, you don't have confidence on yourself, on your trading knowledge. You are lagging on trading knowledge. You are lagging on trading knowledge. Number two, this is number one and number two. Number three is you don't have patience to wait. You are getting distracted like one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 continuous green color candle I will buy. Oh, big red color candle I will say. This is lack of patience. You will do this activity. Okay, first you don't have confidence on yourself. Why you don't have confidence? Because you have lack of trading knowledge. That is why I am telling you, learn, sir. Learn and then trade. Don't lose your hard-earned money, sir. If you are try to understand. If you are continuously losing your hard-earned money without knowledge, all this will get developed, sir. All this frustration, fear, tension, panic, shouting, everything will come. Learn. Thousand time I am telling you, learn. Don't waste time in call providers. This is because of lack of knowledge, lack of trading knowledge, lack of patience, lack of confidence as an intraday trader. Especially option buyer I am speaking. Option buyer. Because most of this participant I know they are option buyer. Option buying I am speaking. To come out of it, you have to learn first, sir. You need to understand. I'm telling you basic thing. When market is overlapping with the low volume, why do you want to chase price and take trade? Live example I'm telling you. I was waiting for this level to cross and take a short side trade. Once crossed, price went up. I was not in a panic. I was not getting frustrated. I was simply relaxed. Right? Traders were in front of the. I am not telling only this after market. I was in front of live with most traders. They know it. What I was doing. I was simply relaxed. When price came to my zone, taken a trade, made money, came out of the market. That's it. The day is done. Simple. Wait, sir. Okay, Vimal sir is telling no one is telling to wait in the market, sir. How they will tell, sir? Because they want to sell courses, sir. Most of the traders who blindly want to sell the course, they will not tell you to wait. They will tell you or some paid service. What they will tell you is, sir, join my paid service, join my course. You will make 20%, 50% return every month. I have 100% sure short trading strategy to sell their products. No one will tell you for the level of patience you have to develop, sir. I am telling it for free. No one will tell you, even, sir, because they are selling you a fake promise. I'm speaking reality, because that is why when I'm speaking reality, I'm getting less members. When I'm speaking about reality, I'm getting very less members in my session. If I sell dreams, if I tell, sir, I have superpower strategy, 100% sure shot, means many traders will come, but that is a false statement. I don't want to trap any trader here. You need to understand it very clearly. Okay, so quickly start posting your questions. I will try to address your question very quickly. This is just a starting part one of process to trade intraday bank nifty. In upcoming days, I will try to do some more videos, but what I am planning is to reduce the free, sir, because what I see is free doesn't have value, sir. Okay, free doesn't have value because traders are thinking free as some like taking it as a time pass. This is my experience I'm sharing. Free doesn't have values. What I'm planning is to reduce doing free sessions. Let's see. I don't know whether I will reduce it, but I'm trying or planning to do it. Let's see. Any questions if you have, you can start asking your questions. And make sure everyone join the Telegram channel. Link is available in the live chat. And make sure to click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification. As Virendra sir is asking where we can learn. Sir, you can, any traders who want to learn can message me personally in the WhatsApp. I will let you know the further process, further path. Okay. So meanwhile, if you have any questions, feel free to ask your questions in the chat box. I will try to address all your questions one by one. Quickly, I am telling you. I'll address your questions one by one. Start posting your queries. Okay, Lokesh sir is telling always get free and best knowledge from you ads off. Okay, any other questions? Feel free to quickly post your questions. This is just the start of the process to trade intraday trading. Okay, Vinay sir is asking, please give WhatsApp number to contact you for learning as I have logged in from laptop, so your WhatsApp link won't open on laptop. So I have shared the WhatsApp number also. The number is 7904346 537. Any questions? Feel free to post your questions very quickly, sir. Okay, Virendra sir is telling when not to trade, take trade. Sir, when the market is like this, when market is roaming up, down, above, below, we have with this low volume. From morning, volume is dropping, price is overlapping up, down, and when price is inside yesterday's range, this is overlapping up, down, move with the low volumes. This is where you need not to take trade. Okay. Location is saying logic behind today's trade. Sir, logic behind today's trade, if you want to know the logic means, okay, one question, how to identify spike volume in stop loss hunting. I will come to question one by one. So the location, the logic behind today's trade is this trade setup, sir. This free trade setup which I have shared. Okay, I will share the link in the live chat. You can check it out. Okay. Manjunathan sir says normally how many days required to learn Bank Nifty from you? Sir Manjunathan sir, you can message me personally. Uh, I will let you know on it. Okay, not now. You can please make sure to message. There's a big topic discussion. You need to message me personally. Virendra sir is telling, sir, please come in live market session. Sir, today I did a live market session, sir. Today I have did a live market session. Manjulan sir, you can message me personally. Anuj sir is asking how to know that breakout is fail. Sir Anuj sir, breakout is fail. I will plan to do a separate session or small 10 minutes or 15 minutes video in the upcoming days. I am planning to do it. There I will share you, sir. Okay. Any other questions quickly? I'll just check. Any other questions? Make sure to post your questions, sir. Rajesh Sekhar sir is asking how to identify the spike volume is stop loss antique. Sir, to identify it, you need to first two things is there. One, you need to have a trading experience to look daily market. If you want easily to identify, I personally use order flow to check, sir. Okay. Okay. I could see there is no more questions to be addressed. Fine enough. Great. Okay, I believe everyone has subscribed the YouTube channel and turn on the notification, and everyone have joined the Telegram channel. The link is available in the live chat box. Okay, fantastic. I believe the session was useful to you. You would have learned something new. So, as there is Chinna sir is telling, according to you, practice is the best strategy. Volatility and volume based strategy is best trading to intraday trading. Yes, this is one of the best. I'm not telling this is the best, but this is one of the best. Sir, no Euro zero, sir. I never trade Euro zero. And I always say to everyone, Euro zero is trading, Euro zero is best, sir. Now tell me, do you want to make money in the market or do you want to be zero in the market? If a trader want to make money in the market, don't trade Euro zero and also. You are straight away telling you want to be, don't want, try to be hero in the market, sir. Always respect market, follow market. Okay. So I could see there is no more questions to be addressed. So what I will do is, without any further delay, thank you so much for attending this session. I believe this session was useful to you. Anyone who want to passionate, to want to learn can message me in the WhatsApp or Telegram. Thank you so much everyone for attending this session. Without any further delay, I will end this session right now. Thank you so much. Okay, thank you very much.